Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 ways you can nourish your hair at home through the lockdown. Now these are super easy to do and you can find these things easily in your kitchen. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So the first most important point would be your diet, and this is something you can easily alter at home as well through the lockdown. Proteins being the number one most important thing for good hair. Now for proteins, you can have chicken, you can have eggs, broccoli, walnut, almond, and all sorts of beans for B complex vitamins. Now for iron also, which is very important for good hair. Now for this, you guys can have spinach, you can have egg yolks, you can have all sorts of lentils, broccoli, and tofu. Thirdly is zinc, and for zinc you guys can have sweet potatoes, chickpeas, pumpkin, and sesame seed. Now comes omega-3, which helps in adding a lot of shine and elasticity to your hair. For this you guys can have chia and flax seeds. You can have tuna, fish, and salmon. So lastly is biotin, which is also very important for your hair because this helps in adding a lot of strength to your hair. For this you guys can eat cauliflower, mushrooms, and all sorts of meat. Now the second point is scalp rejuvenation. For this you guys should massage your scalp regularly with hair oils. You can choose a hair oil of your choice depending on your scalp and hair concern, but in case your scalp and hair gets really dry, you should definitely try this mixture. Mix 2 tablespoons of the Dabur almond oil. Add a few drops of rosemary essential oil. Almond oil is enriched with vitamin E and soy proteins, so no need to add any other protein separately. And it's very nourishing and it also repairs dry hair. It will also add enough hydration and luster to the hair. I like using the Dabur almond hair oil because it's the only hair oil that has soy protein in it. Soy protein increases the hair's moisture binding property. It's packed with protein, folic acid, zinc, and vitamin B, which is needed for healthy, strong hair. Make sure to heat it slightly before application. Also remember to apply more on the scalp and less on the hair. Massage at least for 5 to 10 minutes and leave it for 2 to 3 hours. Repeat this 2 times a week only. Massaging the scalp increases blood circulation, which strengthens the follicle, giving you healthy, nourished hair. Now the third point would be to apply your hair masks more regularly. Now if you don't have hair masks, you can use your regular conditioners as well. But if you do have hair masks, then you can just apply it on your midlengths and ends. Wrap a hot towel around it for about 10 to 15 minutes and keep this in your hair for at least 45 minutes to an hour. Make use of all your hair care products right now. This will basically help in giving your hair a mini hair treatment or a hair spa at home. It really helps in deeply nourishing and conditioning your hair as well. Now coming to point 4, which is all about taking hair-rich supplements. Now I have always spoken about this because this has really helped my hair as well. You guys need to take hair-rich supplements that are high in biotin, essential amino acids, and important B vitamins. So the last point is to keep your conditioner in longer. I know this is really basic but so doable right now because we have all the time to give that extra TLC to our hair. Now keep your conditioner in longer for at least 5 to 8 minutes. Now this will really nourish and deeply condition your hair. It will seal your cuticles and you'll actually get all the benefit of your conditioner. Something you will not be able to do once the lockdown is lifted and you guys will be rushing for work. So I hope this video was informative and helpful, and I hope all of these tips help you take care of your hair through the lockdown. All product links are in the description box and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!